everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. It's a house of commotion this morning. So we are going out this morning. We are going to a few places in Rome. Me and my squad. See some at the back, some at the extreme back. You can see those two men. Some are in my front, my kids, the little boys, the little girls, them, they're in my front. So we are going to see Vatican City, Piazza Venezia, Colosseo this morning. So that is why we are up to. We want to go and take our train. This is my Sorella. Oh, the sun, no, the sun high way for our face. It is where. So whatever it is, I'll keep you people updated. See you later. Bye. We are on our way to Rome, as I said earlier. All these are my people. This is my Jaffe, Joanna. Look at Joanna and Jason. Papa the Joshua. Mama the Joshua and Joanna. We have Jason all over there. And Joshua there as well. Yes, so when I don't see my people, we're all complete. So when we get to Piazza Venezia, we get to pay. My family members were in Roma Termine. Pensavo che voi non volete. This is Colosseo. Colosseo. Oh, see my beautiful room now. See these people there now, UK people, no go there. Oh. See my beautiful room now. See there, now they see crowd. So, hello, Mr. Jason. Hello. Sure. Queso. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Joanna. Hello. Hi. Okay. So this is our beautiful Colosseo. I don't turn tourist today by force on my room. Joanna, follow. It don't lock. Oh yeah, you do. Do your own.
It's not Joanna's fault. See what you want to do.
Oh yeah, Jason, Joanna, follow. No, Jira. No. No. Oh, push it. Oh yeah, put it like this. Oh yeah. You put it sobra così. Oh yeah, two. And that thing. I like this background. Jason. So Vatican City, Vaticano. Where is your daddy? Vatican City. We are in Vatican City. The Vatican City. Vaticano. Mama Joshua in Rome, Italy. Vatican City. This is Vatican City. Yes, sir. This is the entrance. This is the entrance of Vatican City. Yes, sir. Ooh, see crowd. I bet I won't off my phone. The crowd too much. She ready a mother, but see ya later. See, capitolo Cupola Dum Basilica. Cupola Dum Basilica. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes, this is it. Ooh, this is beautiful. Live there, you. Wow. Organena. Secret for Vatican City. Jesus. Now, wow. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Hello, excuse me. It's okay. Look at that. This is called Piazza Venezia, Rome. My beautiful Rome. Come to Rome. Rome is so beautiful, okay? Rome is so... See my people for front. Rome is so beautiful. Oh, now they see my room. Hi, God, do. God settled down, no, and the people were there, Rome, now do well. So now good scene, man. Look at Italia, Italia. Italia is my country, it's Italia. Beautiful Piazza Venezia. See how beautiful this is. Oh, how I love this, my country. Oh, Baba. Baba, Baba. Mama climb via. Bye. I can't see on that, I'm gonna do my work. I don't know if my camera can do justice. This is a fire that never goes off. This spot over here, there is fire on it. It never goes off. Oh, you people cannot see, but there is a fire that is burning there that never goes off, okay? So my son is saying something, that the fire...
We end when Jubilee finishes.
That the fire will end when Jubilee finishes, okay?
Oh, God.
So, my son is saying all these holes that are here is a history. These holes that are here is a history. So that it's the Romanians that did this. When it's raining, the water goes down. These are the holes, okay? Yep. Yep. So round it up. We came to eat lunch. We are here to eat lunch. I don't even know what they are eating. Look at my family members. Where is Uncle Sammy? See there, my family members. Buon appetito. This is my kebab. Oh, look at the table, it's empty. See this one. Just wait. Bon appetito. See Joanna. Brava. So, our people. Questo. This is my kebab. Jesse. Carry your bag, just move. We're going out since morning, so she ate everything.
I give my mommy.
You not give your mommy, you eat some.
No, I give it to my mommy.
Okay, then.
Sit down. My view so good.
You should kebab the way it's sweet. A bon, Mamma mia. A bon, this one better pass this.
You're too messy.
This one better pass the pizza one I work. And cinque euro, costa meno.
Just kebab 5 euro.
No. The result you get when you have exhausted your day throughout the day. Your head, everything is so greasy. This is the result you get when you are the, what do they call people when they meet people? People when they help people when they zero, what do they call them? The tour guide. The work of a tour guide is not, you can't open it, it's locked. Much area condizionato. So when you are a tour guide, this is the way your face, the result of your face will be. I want to end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. I'm exhausted. Let me go home and rest. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye.